so I usually walk to Wendy's to get picked up by my dad, since I'm a freshman and I don't drive yet. And it usually takes me like 15 minutes, but with the longboard I get around there in like 5 minutes.
I have a couple of classes that are back to back, and so the problem was getting to those classes on time. And there was a couple of times where I was cutting it short, so I was like, might as well, and it makes it really easy on yourself when you have a transportation rather than just walking. This is more portable, you know, you can carry this so much easier than a bike, whereas a bike, yeah, you can go faster and you can take it off campus, that's the benefit.
Scooters, they're easier to handle, you just fold them and you just pick it up with one hand, and then you take it into class. Bicycles, you have to like tie them up, lock it up, and they're a lot bigger to handle. And then I drive, so I don't know where I would put my bicycle. It's easier.